Crappie.
Got a crappie, y'all. Bring it back here, chum.
All right, what's up, everybody? We're out here on the lake. Didn't really, yeehaw. Didn't really mean the color match, but hey, we did. So today I'm going to use nothing but a Beetle Spin. Show you which one I'm using right now. So this is it right here. That's all I'm going to use today. Little classic Beetle Spin. So hopefully I'll put on a good video for you guys, but we shall see. Let's get going.
Get hooked, y'all. Let's go catch some fish. Oh man, that grass is bad. Because he's a bass, y'all. B-A-S-S. Carver got a fish. Yeah! Yeehaw! He finally caught a fish. Stop the press. Carver got one.
Crappie.
Got a crappie, y'all. Bring it back here, chum.
Here we go. Crappie.
I'm having more trolling that. That's a better one. Nice bass.
But we go right there.
Get line scoop coming back here. Got another one on. Looks like a good fish. Are we gonna need the net?
I don't know. I ain't seen it yet. It's just staying down.
Get a little bass.
Bass number 2.
All right, y'all. Took over the big bass from Carver family. That's what, number 5 or number 6 today, and lost one at the boat we've caught.
Yep.
And we ain't been out here, what, an hour?
Something like that.
Yeehaw.